Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A13 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find general management. Now let's tap on language at the very top of the list, and here we've got the list of all previously applied languages, and here we've got only English, so let's tap on add a language, and as you can see we've been transferred to the list of all languages which are suggested by Samsung. So if you cannot find the language you'd like to set here, no worries, you have to tap on the three dots icon and tap on all languages, and as you can see right now this list is much wider. But let me get back to suggested by Samsung, and basically all you have to do is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So I will pick this one for example, and as you can see, remember that sometimes you will also be able to pick the region, so just tap on the one you'd like to use, and after that you'll see this info. So your device is basically asking you if you'd like to change the language, so if you'd like to set new one as a default one. So just tap on set as default, and as you can see it will immediately appear at the very top of the list. And after a second, the whole menu will be displayed in chosen language. We have to wait, we have to be patient, so no worries. And as you can see, it has been changed almost immediately. So as I said, the whole system will be displayed in the new language. Of course, you can change it also if you've got, for example, 2 different languages added. Then you do not have to enter the language. Simply tap on the one you'd like to use, and probably I believe this is the apply button. So just mark it and tap on apply. And of course, again, wait a second. And as you can see, the English again is at the very top of the list, and the whole system is in the English language. Of course, if you want, you can remove the language from this list. Just tap on edit, and here just mark the language you'd like to remove. Here you can also change the position of the languages, it's up to you. So let's tap on remove and confirm it. And as you can see, we've got only English left. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your Samsung Galaxy A13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.